In today's video, I just want to show you some quick results that we got from doing the recent collection removal dispute strategy that we've come on and made videos about. So I just wanted to show you some results because it only makes sense to kind of show you what it did on the back end. So this is a client. We just pulled these results on Friday. And so I thought it would be a great opportunity to do a video just to show you like what the strategies actually did. So last month we did a video on how to remove collections. I think like in 72 hours or something like that. It really works. And also we did a video on how to remove collections, and that's just one strategy that we use, but it is a strategy that works well if you are able to use it. So here are some results, guys. Okay, guys, so as you can see, now these results were pulled on December 4th. We actually first started with this client on November the 1st. So you see that the scores went up real good. So the client, of course, is real happy about the scores. But for me, I'm more happy about the actual deletions. Y'all know how I am about the meat and potatoes, and that is what's reported in that credit report. So we were able to get 38 deletions, and that does include a lot of inquiries, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys exactly what was deleted off this credit report. So like the client had a CBNA account. We have Cooper. Now keep in mind, these are actual, some of these accounts are charged off accounts, and some of these accounts are actual collections, and then some accounts have like late payments on. So this is like a full credit repair plan that we are processing here on this particular account. So we're doing everything on the credit report that's negative or harmful or just not wanted on the credit report. So you're going to see all kinds of stuff here. You also are going to see where we did not get every single thing off the credit report on the first round. And so, of course, now is the time for us to come in, assess what we were able to get done, and do a new strategy and execute a new dispute. So, and as you can see, we were able to get a firm deleted. And I'll tell you, with the FTC report that we filed with this on this client, because they were in the Equifax breach, and they were in like another some kind of breach as well. I don't remember exactly what it was, but that's what we did. We did the FTC strategy that I taught you guys on the last collections video that I did. And so I'm going to link the video somewhere up here or wherever the video is linked to. So you guys can not have a hard time finding the video. So like we got a firm deleted using the FTC report with the collections. And as you can see, a firm is here. And we did another affirm. So that is deleted off the credit report. I'm super excited for this client. Also, this was a collection that the client actually had with like Harley Davidson. And the client really wanted this off the credit report. And so it worked out well that we were able to get that deleted from both of the credit bureaus that it was reported on. This was a $51,000 debt. Now, mind you, this particular client is a business owner and they want to get business funding. This was really standing in their way. So super excited about that. So, I mean, we had accounts falling off. Like we got the Barclays Bank account removed. That was a little over $1,000 that was in collections. And I will come back and do another video, and what I'll do, guys, is I'll use this actual report here and just kind of go back and show you exactly the strategy that we did to get the accounts that were charged off the credit report. So as you can see, like I said, with the firm, we did the FTC report as if it were a collection. And a lot of those accounts, like a firm, and like those accounts that you can just log in and get online, can be disputed the same way, using the same strategy that we use for collections. Like if you have LVNV funding or, Midland funding, those collection agencies. So you can use that same strategy for stuff like that. It works like really well. And it also, the way that I told you how to do it, if you follow the video to a T, and to see if you even qualify to be able to do it, because if you weren't in any kind of breach, or if it's just not downright identity theft that, you have no idea where that account came from, then you're not like eligible legally to do it. So I'm not telling you guys to do anything illegal. Just make sure that you're eligible and you're on the right side of the law when you're doing this, so that you don't have any repercussions. You're nothing to look over your shoulder for. So, but yeah, so like client super excited. We literally got over $100,000 in debt erased off of, in negative debt erased off of this client's credit report on the first round, which is awesome. Now, I'm going to go down a little bit. Oh, yeah, and we got upgrade, mostly deleted as well. We still have to work on, I think, Equifax. Yeah, we have to still work on Equifax to get that upgrade off. That was like a big one as well. And you can see like all the different names of all the ones. I'm not going to just go through and call out all of them. So also with the collections, with the 72-hour collection deletion. Now these collections were indeed deleted in 48 hours. We confirmed that through Credit Karma, because like I tell you guys, don't stop hating on Credit Karma, because Credit Karma does truly update in real time. And if you're disputing anything on your credit, it's definitely worth it to have that free Credit Karma app and keep it, because if anybody ever does apply for anything in your name, a hard inquiry, when that comes through, it comes through in real time. They let you know as soon as somebody runs your credit. So it's definitely good for that. But anyways, so these inquiries got removed, the personal information got deleted. Like he had like some, what did he have? These were employers and addresses that we got removed off the credit report. So yeah, we got that done. And also, I think like with the address, it was not with the address, but with the birthday, we disputed where it was just like reported the year. Because I know you see that sometimes on your own credit report where they'll report the year that you were born, but not like your full birth date. They're supposed to report the full birth date. So we deleted that to have them updated. See, it's been updated to positive. So that is done. So yeah, I just wanted to come on real quick and show this to you guys, because it's important to see the results. Like, when credit repair, people just really want to know, okay, you say we can do X, Y, Z, but where are the results? So I wanted to come on and show you some results. I literally have so many more of these as well that I could show, but you know, I'm not too big on showing results, but because of those videos, I did want to come on and just kind of show you some things. And I will be coming back next week or later this week with the updated video about this video, showing you exactly what strategy we use for those charge-offs. Now, it is a strategy that I had talked to you about before, but I talked to you about so many different strategies. I'm sure it's hard for you to keep up, so I want to be very specific. So when I come back to do a follow-up video, I will kind of just do it all together, show you the full strategies over again, and show you the actual dispute letters that we did use. And to clean up the things that are still reporting on this credit report, I'll come back and show you round 2 and how we construct that. So I'll do all of that in one, and hopefully this will complete his progress, his whole process, and will be done, and he'll be on his way, because he's more than halfway there now. So if you've liked this video, if this video has helped you and blessed you in any kind of way, please feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe, so that other people who cannot afford credit repair, or people who are just, you know, want to do it themselves and get information. I want everybody who, you know, these videos are meant for to go to so they can get the videos. So, and also, if you are self-disputing, we have like lots of free downloads, free letters, free templates, and free things on our website. Please feel free to just click on the links in the description to go download whatever you need for free. We do have a few paid things there, but anything there that's paid as far as credit repair products are like less than $30, but most of the stuff is free. So please feel free, have at it. If you have any questions, if you would like to book a free consultation, please don't hesitate to do so. That link will also be in the description. You can shoot me a text message if you have a quick question. I will answer as I can. So until the next video, we will talk soon. Bye.